KD na miss kita. Thank you, Zaldi ko. Ay, sorry. Ay, si Zald, sorry. Nakalagay kasi Zald eh. Na ano ako eh. Zaldi. Nakita ko si Zaldi. Yung username kasi niya, Zald. Z-A-L-D-S. Nakalagay kasi Z-A-L-D-S. Kala ko sis ano. Pero hindi. Sorry, joke lang. May naman baon dyan, Zaldi ko. Partida, taxes namin yan eh. Pati si Zaldi daw ko talaga yun. Wala na. Zaldi, balik mo naman yung taxes namin. Please give it back. Hello po from Batangas. Yeah, hello. Shoutout dyan mga taga Batangas. It's ba what's happening lang sa life. May ambag tayo sa sasakyan niya. Tama. Lahat ng sasakyan nila may ambag tayo. So basically, we own that. Hindi sa pagiging komunista, pero sa atin din yan. Yung payong na yung Rolls Royce na may payong. Yung payong, may ambag tayo dyan. Ganun talaga. Specs from... I forgot the brand, but it's a local brand. Correct. Iba din talaga yun. Yeah, of course. For me lang, we have to speak up. Kasi sobra na talaga. Even, hindi, let's not, kahit hindi sobra, we still have to speak up because super, it's evil talaga yung Hi KD, it's been a while. Dati sa IG kita pinapanood mag-live. Oh, hello, thank you. It's Eureka Shop. Welcome to my TikTok. I will sing kapag umabot tayo ng... Hindi, joke lang. Sorry, I can't sing right now. I'm kind of on vocal rest. Kailangan kong tipirin ang aking boses kasi kanta kami ng kanta sa Bagets eh. Yeah. Bagets. Thank you guys for being so supportive nung... Yeah, the 80s film. Yung 80s film guys na Bagets, gagawin ng siyang musical and I play Arnel. So guys, please watch it. Next year na siya, sa January. Kala namin dahil sa climate change kaya laging bahad. Di here sa Kalumpit, Bulacan sa Ghost Project pala. Yeah. Grabe talaga, no? I know, like, grabe yung pangyayari ngayon sa the Ghost Projects and the flood control projects na subpar substandard. Hindi na pupunta pala sa mga Rolls Royce, sa mga trip nila papuntang Japan. Grabe, no? Only in the Philippines. Pero hindi. Tayo bilang Pilipino dapat magkaroon tayo ng we have to stand up and we have to really pray and really do something about what's happening. Kaya galit yung mga tao nung last anong day yan ulit? Sorry. Yeah, it's a revolution. Kaya galit eh. Kasi grabe na talaga yung pangyayari, guys. Number 21, yes. Stop asking these nonsense questions, please. KD, may nakapagsabi na sa'yo, kamukha mo si Rico yan. I don't wanna take it. Kasi, ano eh, kapag, controversial. Kasi ano eh, kapag may nagsabi na may kamukha itong artista, ang daming babanat agad. Kaya I don't wanna take it. I just say I mean, total guwapo naman si rest in peace, si Sir Rico. Pero I can't take it. It's controversial kasi. For me ha. Kasi kapag may nagsabi na kamukha mo ito, may babanat agad na hindi. Kumusta naging experience mo sa rally? Super grabe, it really showed how everyone was like everyone involved, everyone there, like mga bata, matatanda, they were all there in the rally. They were all pushing through the rain. They were all chanting. They were all rallying. They were all protesting about the stuff happening in the country. And everyone was, yeah, there were like a few parang what's this, showcase ba? Not really showcases, like how ano yung mga parang still art, yung parang nakatayo sila dyan, like they're yeah, basta it's grabe talaga yung experience ko dyan. And talking with the people about what's happening in the country right now, and seeing people being all as one. It's just it gives you hope then. But syempre, it doesn't stop there. It doesn't stop in that day. Of course, we have to spread awareness all the time. I was curious paano kayo nakauwi nun. So I had to walk to Green Hills kasi dun kami nakapark. Naglakad ako papuntang Green Hills. Thank you guys ha. Super thank you for being there. It means a lot to us para kasama yung kami tumitig. Of course, naintindihan ko naman din yung mga hindi kaya pumunta kasi yung iba ang lalayo, or yung iba they have other stuff to do, which is of course understandable naman talaga. Like some people just can't dedicate like that much time din kasi they have other things to do. Pero ang akin, it's fine kasi kaya pumupunta kami, yung mga kayang pumunta, we're doing it for you guys. And you guys are also spreading awareness din by like posts and stuff. What was your reaction nung knowing na ikaw ang gaganap na Arnel sa Bagets? Grabe yung saya ko. It was late at night. Parang siya, gabi. Yeah, late at night, tas gabi. Oo nga. Hindi, 12 midnight, nakita ko yung email. KD, tinanggap ka as Arnel sa Bagets. Bibigyan ka namin. Yeah, I was super happy, ecstatic talaga. Bukas na yung Your Face Sounds Familiar ni Alexa. Yes. Let's watch it, guys. Super excited to see that. She's gonna kill it, not gonna lie. Thank you guys. I don't know what time I'll end. I think I'll end soon. But yeah. Okay lang, nakikinig lang kayo sa akin na nagsasabi lang ng kung ano-ano. Multi-talented, yes, madam. Super. Kaya Gen Z total performer. That's her. She deserves that. You know what I mean? That's her moniker. That's her other moniker. She deserves that one. Hayaan mo na si Alexa, binubudol mo lang siya. Wala ka lang love life eh. Block. Hindi. Kaya, ayun eh. Kaya yun eh, di ba? Kaya di ako nagpo-post eh. No, she deserves that. Yung title na Total Gen Z Total Performer, she deserves that title. She's 100%, that's her. She can host, she can act, she can dance, she can sing. She did so much na. For me, underrated na artist si Alexa. Pero she doesn't deserve to be underrated anymore. She deserves to be given the spot that she deserves, di ba? Ganun naman talaga eh. May mga babanat na hindi, pero if you look at the work that she's done so much, 'di ba? Kaya hindi mo masisisi kung ba't niya nang binigay sa kanya na title. Anyways guys. Excited for what's coming. So the movie. This movie I'm working on, Bagets. Dami nangyayari. Bagets. My God. Pero grabe yung mga sayaw namin dyan guys Like, it's not a joke. Hindi yung parang cute-cute lang na sayaw na TikTok. Hindi. It's like sayaw talaga. Pero kaya ko naman humabol. Like, hindi, humahabol talaga ako. Like, I'm doing good. I'm doing good sa I'm doing good sa pagsayaw. Ayoko lang ipakita sa inyo. Ayoko ba lang mag-TikTok ng sayaw because it's not me. It's not my branding yet. Pero kapag nakita nyo na sa mismong musical, alam nyo na. Alam nyo na. Alam namin magaling ka sumayaw. Hindi magaling, marunong. Marunong ako sumayaw. Breakdance, 80s dance. Yep. Exactly. Favorite song of yours, Mahal Ba Kita, Bola Bola. Thank you. Bola Bola was a long time ago. Tagal na pala nun. Grabe. May kaldag ba yun sa'yo nyo, Katie? Sana wala. Feeling ko meron, pero sana wala. Alam mo yun? Gusto ko yung lang, cute-cute lang. Ay, yung lang, cool-cool lang. Huwag naman yung may kaldag-kaldag. I think I'll keep my glasses off. Sige, good night na sa mga tutulog na. Late na dyan eh. Oh, you got powers. Oh, you got powers. Do you have movies this year? Yes. I just did. I have a special participation in one movie. Hindi ko sasabihin kung ano movie yan. Pero medyo big siya. Medyo big Actually, big production siya. Big production siya. I don't wanna say it. workout routine. Ngayon, tinatry ko with my coach, push-pull legs. It's been working naman for me. Pero hindi ako nagbubuhat ng sobrang bigat. Kasi sabi ko, ang hirap pag nagbuhat ako ng mabigat. Kasi kailangan sa musical, magaan ka lang. Kasi ang daming talon, ang daming sayaw. May mga tumbling-tumbling pa. Kaya kailangan magaan lang ako dyan. So hindi sobrang bigat na buhat. Kasi kapag nagbuhat ka ng mabigat, parang bibigat rin yung ano mo eh. Yung pakiramdam mo. I don't know. For me lang, for me. Galing mo pala mag-boxing, yeah. I had to recall. Yeah. Nagpa-coach lang ako bago diyan. Bago yung araw na yan, yung shoot namin ni Kuya MJ. So nag-recall lang ako. Pero ganun. Jab, mga straight, hook, uppercut, ganyan. So yung forma, yung tamang forma lang. Soft boy looks. Thank you, I guess. Basta guys, hindi ako sasagot kung anong movie. Magugulat na lang talaga kayo. Mag-brown hair ka na ulit. Actually, I was thinking, should I do brown hair? Kasi lahat kami sa play, black hair. So, inisip ko, baka pwede ko mag-brown hair. Para maiba lang yung itsura ko. Maiba lang yung itsura ko sa kanila. Kasi lahat kami black haired eh. So, bala ko magpa-brown. Siguro, dark brown. Para magmukhang foreigner. Foreigner. Pero di usa ata ang hair dye noon 80s eh. Baka maiba lang itsura ko. I wanted to know fave na fave kong holiday love. Thank you. I wrote that before. I wrote that quite. Yeah, I wrote that before going in PBB. So, yun yung nirecord ko bago ako nag-PBB. Holiday Love. Sabi ko, Kuya, record na natin to kasi may gagawin ako. Ay, Kuya Rox, pwede, i-record na natin to. Can I be your friend? We're all friends here. Ay, September. Ay, bare months na pala, no? Whenever I see girls and boys. Hope that you're okay, Kuya Fates. I've been doing really well. I don't know why people always say, Lums, I look sad. It's just my eye bags, you know. I wanted to know fave na fave kong holiday love. Thank you. I wrote that before. I wrote that quite. Yeah, I wrote that before going in PBB. So, yun yung nirecord ko bago ako nag-PBB. Holiday love. Sabi ko, Kuya, record na natin to kasi may gagawin ako. Ay, Kuya Rox, pwede, i-record na natin to. Can I be your friend? We're all friends here. Ay, September. Ay, bare months na pala, no? Whenever I see girls and boys. Hope that you're okay, Kuya Fates. I've been doing really well. I don't know why people always say, Lums, I look sad. It's just my eye bags, you know. Kasi ako, na-share ko, na-repost ko, I realized I have resting sad face. Kapag wala akong expression at all. Kasi yung ibang tao kapag wala silang, as in blanco lang yung mukha nila. Mukha silang galit. Pero may mga tao na kapag blanco lang yung mukha nila, tulad ako, mukha kaming malungkot. Kahit hindi naman. Say, mukhang malungkot. Pero hindi naman. Ano lang yan? Just resting face lang. Yung mata kasi, yung mata. Pero, hindi naman. Tumawa si Zaldi ko, Ay, sorry, si Zal. Sorry. Mapungay kasi. Kapag mapungay yung mata mo at blanco mukha mo, mukha kang malungkot. Oh, di ba? Mukha kang malungkot kahit hindi naman. Oh, di ba? Sleepy eyes kasi. Actually, tinatanong din ako. Like, nasa klase ako. Kunwari, nasa laptop lang ako. Kunwari, nagtatype lang ako. Tatanungin ako ng katabi ko, "Bro, are you okay?" Sabi ko, "Yeah, why?" Sabi niya, "You look sad, bro." Sabi ko, "Bro, I'm fine." Kaya ano like, nagets ko na rin bakit ang dami nagtatanong sa akin kung okay lang ako. Nagets ko na kasi okay. Kasi kapag wala akong expression, mukha akong malungkot talaga. I'm curious paano ako magalit. How do I get mad ba? I get mad. PBB, I got mad. Pero yeah, I got mad. Yeah, I got mad once in PBB. I think I forgot. Pero ganun ako magalit. Yung mukha lang. I forgot what I got mad at PBB like once. Yeah, I think you guys know what it. Yeah, I think you guys know what it is. That's how I usually get mad. Pero kahit kahit galit mukha ko, mukha pa rin akong malungkot. Yung mata ko kasi sobrang sobrang ganyan. But it's okay. Ganun naman talaga. May mga tao na kahit wala silang ginagawa, like, blanco expression nila, pero inisip mo na parang dami nitong iniisip. Pero hindi naman. Kaya I'm trying to make it a habit for me to smile more. Like, I try to smile more. Kasi I look sad when I'm not doing anything. Okay, how was it meeting Andres Mulak? Yeah, he's really chill. Super chill. He's from the south also. So, nakarelate ako agad sa kanya. So, yeah. Super chill niya lang na tao. Everybody, please make a wish. Huwag niyong sabi tupad. Okay. Lord, saan siya? 11:11. I'm gonna remember you. May pasok ako bukas. Ingat po kayo bukas. Yeah. Oh, you got power. Oh, you got power. kilometers yung... nga pala. Guys, I'm doing a fun run. I'm not doing the fun run. I'm just hosting. Hosting ako sa fun run namin. Go-host. So yeah, hindi ako tatakbo. Mag-host lang ako. Mag-host lang kami. Alright! How's your gym life, KD? Wala ka ng progress update? No, I don't really wanna, I don't really wanna do progress update. Kasi, naman ko, I wanna keep it to myself muna hanggat may mga resulta na visible na resulta. May resulta naman, pero hindi small baby steps lang. Baby steps. Yeah, pero, yeah, this Sunday, end the run, fun run. Mag-host ako doon. Kahit you don't have to go, guys. Kasi private event din siya so wala. Yeah. Are you from Enderon? Yes, I am. I am an Enderon student. Thank you, thank you. When ulit ang pre-loved clothes? Yeah, guys. Sa pre-loved, I'll look for another batch this month. Gawa ko ng batch this month. I am a multimedia student in Enderon. I am currently in multimedia. Favorite Beatles song? Hard to choose. Probably Till There Was You. Who do you look like? Who do you look like? You look like someone, but who? International, local. Maglaro tayo Pinoy Henyo. Baka si KD Estrada. Oh, so it's you. I can do that. Started. I can do, yeah. You know what? I'll do So It's You. Sige, I'll get the guitar. FYI, hindi ko pa inaaral to. Smile, and that's how it all started. And you came right in time. Smile, that's how it all started. And you came right in time. When I needed someone, and we said hello. Suddenly my heart was beating fast. So it's you I've been waiting for so long. So it's you, where were you all along? Huh? Oh, very special moments, these will always be with me. We are here, you and we belong. I think kasama yun sa musical namin. I think kasama siya. Nakalimutan ko yung playlist namin sa musical. Pero feeling ko kasama naman ito sa play. So It's You by Raymond Lauchenko. Ganda ng boses ni Sir Raymond eh. Are you still introvert? Yeah. It doesn't work na bigla akong magiging extrovert. Hindi naman ganyan. I'm still introverted. Pero marunong na ako makisama sa iba. Ambivert ba? Like I can switch, I can turn on my energy and I can turn off my energy. It just depends on the people I'm with. If I feel na hindi worth it na bigay ko yung energy ko sa mga tao, or hindi ko bibigay kasi sayang energy, di ba? I don't know if may mga introvert, kasi may mga introvert na na kaya makisama pero pinipili lang talaga nila. So yeah, yung stigma lang na na ay, hindi na siya introvert, ganyan. May mga ganyan eh. Like, ay, kapag nakita akong masaya, sasabihin, hindi na siya introvert. Di naman ganyan eh. Bawal maging masaya ang introvert. May mga tangang ganyan eh. Di ba? Tanga talaga. Hindi ba pwede maging masaya ang mga tao na pinipili nila kung kanino dapat ibigay yung energy? Hey guys, aray ko ang lakas ng ulan. I know, please mag-ingat po kayo dyan. Mag-ingat po kayo dyan sa sa inyo. Kung malakas ang ulan, praying for you guys. Tangi. Yeah, people deserve to be happy. Like, regardless of what they identify as, regardless of their identity, regardless of their personality, people deserve to be happy. We saw you premiere sa BF Homes. Nagpa-pick kami sa iyo. Tingnan natin kung familiar ka. Oh yeah! Hello! Yeah. Madalas, baka makita niyo ako sa BF Homes kasi taga Paranaque ako. Bumabaha ba sa BF? Minsan, oo. Pero, doesn't matter. May mga lugar na mas baha. So, I mean, yes, of course, I sympathize with people who bumabaha sa BF. But there are plenty of places that are worse. Kailan kayo papakasal ng ate mo? So umaamin ka na papakasal kami. Tanggap mo na yun. Ikaw talaga. Kala mo. You thought you slide? Okay. Ito kala mo ang talino mga sagot eh. Kala mo, ang gagaling nyo kung bumanat Ikaw ba yung nakikita ko sa Surge Gym? I'm shy to ask. Yes! Yeah, I go to Surge. Surge ako, Surge baby ako. Shoutout kay Sir Bolts. Oh yeah, Katie, hello. Finalize ba kung sino magiging Janice sa Bagets? Meron na, oo. Katie, sino ang Janice de Belen? Sino ang Oh yeah, Katie, hello. Finalize ba kung sino magiging Janice sa Bagets? Meron na, oo. Pero, yeah. Taga siya taga theater siya theater actress siya Kaya sino ang Janice de Belen? Sino ang aga sa Bagets? Hintayin nyo na lang po.